Your digital marketing is probably failing because you're treating it like a checklist instead of a real strategy. You're putting in the effort, running ads, creating social media posts, updating your website, but you're not seeing that bump in sales you expected. The truth is, most businesses are just adding to the noise. The digital space is littered with companies doing things without a clear plan, and it's a huge waste of money. Digital marketing isn't about being everywhere. It's about being deliberate and data driven. The secret isn't one magic trick, but weaving all your tactics together so they reinforce each other. Your website needs to be more than a digital brochure. It should be a 24/7 sales engine. Your SEO, social media, and email campaign should all work in harmony to build authority and drive organic traffic. But here are the real game changers that most small businesses overlook: crafting irresistible offers and building powerful referral programs. A killer offer turns casual browsers into committed buyers, and harnessing your current satisfied customers as brand advocates, that creates authentic, cost-effective growth that ads can't buy. Don't forget about reputation. Nearly 70% of consumers read reviews before buying. If you're not actively managing your online reputation, you're losing customers. At the same time, focus on keeping the clients you already have. Loyal customers are the backbone of sustainable success. Stop guessing and throwing money at random campaigns. Build an integrated system where every touchpoint reinforces your brand and guides users from awareness to advocacy. That's how you create a sales engine designed not just for today, but for tomorrow.